Okay, it is 11:30 p.m. here in Hermitage, Tennessee on a Saturday night, August the 24th. This is a test, a sound test, to see if you all hear any background noise other than my voice. I've got a little device for the summer in case it gets too hot in my room. I have this little fan that I've got going. It's battery powered, and I can hang it around my neck with this string. And this is what it looks like. You see, it's got the little fan in there, and it blows out here. So it will hang like this around my neck and hang way, way down. So it'll be out of picture range. But I don't know about whether it's going to be picking up the sound or not. That's the reason I'm recording this. And we will now, that's the fan has been running this entire time. Now I'm going to shut it off, and we'll see if there is any difference, whether it was heard on the recording or not. So, like I say, just a quick sound check, and thanks for watching if you hadn't to see this.